Hello guys, welcome to back. Wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today we are going to ship the 50 kWh battery module for Nissan ENV200. We have finished the all test and have sent the live spy readings to the customer. And everything is in good performance. Now we have discharged the SOC about 50% for shipment. Look at this picture. The modules have assembled into the original battery case, and we still keep the original cooling system, so the customer don't make any changes on your car and your battery case. And the whole positions are the same location as original Nissan ENV200. Okay, let's check the details. All modules and accessories are packed in the wooden box. In each box includes one module and some accessories. Total have 4 boxes in here. This is aluminum spacer for connecting and supporting the modules. These bolts, nuts, and fixture for fixing the modules. This is Ethernet tube to cover the copper bar. There are some cables. The customer needs to connect them by himself according to our tips. This is programmed BMS for Nissan ENV200. The range can be extended to 350 km, and the dashboard can display the correct range. Since the battery case of the ENV200 has limited space, so the height will increase, we provided the height increasing accessories in this box for customer or assembly. This is BMS bracket for supporting the BMS. This is silicone gel to cover the copper bar. When you have done everything, you can use this silicone cement to seal and cover your battery case. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.